Who's a good boy? Apollo. What's up, buddy? Hey, buddy. Who's a good puppy? You're a good boy. You're the best boy. That's right. Are you running away from me? Oh. Are we gonna play? Are we gonna play? Oh, who wants to play? Who wants to play? What's up, guys? I'm Nick. This is Build Dad Build. Let's get after it, shall we? All right. How we doing? How's it going, guys? Welcome to the shop. We've made some changes. Who wants keychains? These things are selling like hotcakes. Hotcakes, I tell ya. You guys are probably used to the ugly light up here. Look at that. Look at how orange I am. One of the lights is out and it's yellow bulb. It's gross, man. Grody. I think I have a keychain problem. Okay, back to the shop. So as you can see, we have all sorts of space. Whee! Oh yeah, we got rid of all those pesky cars that were in here, and now we just have shop goodness everywhere. But the main reason we rearranged the shop was this guy right here. So this is the SN4024 100 watt CO2 laser by APLAZER. Look at it. It's enormous, enormous. So it is called the 4024 because the bed is 40 inches long, 24 inches wide. That's our working area. But honestly, my kid, probably both my kids could sleep in here. But why do I need such a big laser, you ask? Like my wife did when I permanently evicted her SUV from the garage? Well, that's easy. It's because I live in Houston and everything's bigger in Texas. Zinger! So the real reason I got this BAL, big ass laser, is because of you guys. You guys wanted this, not me. Well, I kind of did too. But I did have a lot of you guys saying that you're having issues with your Chinese lasers and customer support. I've had a lot of you guys wanting me to support American-made businesses. Now, before I go any further, I just want to say that I'm not going to stop doing X-Tool content, diode laser content, fiber laser content. That's all still gonna be around. But since a lot of you guys did ask for it, and this channel is as much yours as it is mine, I did reach out to some American laser companies, and I came to an agreement with APLAZER. So as long as APLAZER is benefiting from this being in my shop, it is gonna stay in the shop. So that brings me to my next question. Now that we got it, what do you guys want to see me do with it? I have been attending APLAZER University, which is something that you get when you purchase a unit. You also get 2 4-hour one-on-one training sessions as part of the package when you purchase an APLAZER. I'm learning all sorts of things this thing can do. And I'm not sure if it's this particular unit and maybe a higher wattage laser, but they were cutting through inch-thick acrylic. Bonkers. But I am learning the ins and outs of the machine, how to maintenance the machine, some rotary stuff, you saw the rotary in there, things like that. But, and this is a big but. I got a white boy butt, that's not a big butt. What are your project ideas? Let's really kick the tires on this thing and see what it can do. Let me know in the comments down below the type of large scale projects you want to see. And when I say large scale, it doesn't have to be one big thing. We could also be talking about a lot of little things to sell maybe. I know a lot of you guys already know this, but one of the items I do make are these keychains. So I cut these out of engravable plastic from Enduramark. I laminate them together, polish them up, and then I sell them on Etsy, and they sell really well. And while you can make them on the X-Tool D1 Pro, it takes time. So I've been making them on the Muse upstairs, but a sheet of them takes probably about 2.5 hours. On this bad boy, took about 30 minutes. So the idea is this, you guys give me what you're thinking. We see if we can do it, and then we see if we can build you a business around that. So I am going on vacation. I actually have a foot out the door already. So don't bother me. I'm just kidding. I will be gone for about a week and a half. So in that time, hopefully this video will release. You guys will tell me your project ideas. I'm gonna get back. I'm gonna do the second half of my laser training, and then we're just gonna dive into it. So make sure to leave your comments down below. Also, I'd like to know if you'd like to see these in video format or maybe like a more interactive live stream type situation where maybe like if I have the material, you throw an idea out there, we see if we can do it. And don't worry, APLAZER, this is a huge unit, and I get that, and not everybody is gonna have the money or the space for this. They do make smaller units. I will link to their webpage down below. I encourage you to go check out their units. They are a little bit more expensive, but they are made in the USA. And number 2, you see this? Well, not the emergency stop button. This right here. This is the money shot, kids, and I don't regret saying that. They have 24/7, 365-day-a-year support. You call them, you get a person on the phone, they troubleshoot for you right then. More expensive, yes. Worth it? Absolutely. Now, since you guys are probably gonna be going through NIC withdrawal, because I'm gonna be on vacation, and I'm not gonna drop any other videos except this one until I get back, you might wanna watch this video right here. Oh yeah, down the rabbit hole, baby. Now get to work. Woo!